Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating definitions and launching a targeted scan right away. Open Windows Security, choose Virus and Threat Protection, and hit Check for updates. Once done, run a quick scan so Defender can identify active threats quickly. Make sure to close non-essential apps and disconnect from risky networks while the scan runs to avoid new file changes. This ensures the initial detection phase completes without interference and gives you a clear list of items to act on next. After the quick scan finishes, inspect each detected item. Check file path, severity, and recommended action in the protection history. If anything remains or looks suspicious, run a full scan, and when necessary use Microsoft Defender Offline Scan to remove rootkits before Windows boots fully. Once scan's complete, apply the recommended action, quarantine first, delete if confirmed malicious. If a false positive appears, allow only after verifying file provenance. Always document changes in case you need to revert. Finish by running one more full scan to confirm threats are gone, and then enable automatic definition updates and scheduled scans to prevent recurrence. If you need a file restored, extract it from quarantined items only after verifying with an online scanner. Otherwise, leave it removed. If Defender still flags problems or fails to remove threats, run Windows Defender Reset via PowerShell or usystem restore to a clean point. If that fails, seek specialized removal tools or professional help. This often resolves stubborn infections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.